Have you ever seen those cool dotted outlines around people in thumbnails and wondered, how do they do that? Well, guess what? I'm about to show you how to create that amazing dotted outline effect in Photoshop, step by step. And trust me, it's way easier than you think. So let's jump right in. Open up the image you want to work on in Photoshop. This could be a portrait, a subject in action, or literally anything you want to add that cool outline look to. Now let's grab the quick selection tool from the toolbar. This tool is super handy because it automatically detects edges and helps you quickly select your subject. If needed, adjust the selection to make sure it's nice and clean. All right, now that we have our subject selected, it's time to expand it a little. Head over to the Select menu, go down to Modify, and then click Expand. For this tutorial, I'm setting the expansion to 20 pixels. But here's the thing. This value might be different for you. If your image is smaller, go with a lower value. If it's larger, go a bit higher. Play around with it until it looks just right. Next up, let's turn this selection into a work path. To do this, just right-click on the selection and choose Make Work Path. A little box will pop up asking for a tolerance value. I'm setting it to 5, but again, you can tweak this depending on how smooth or detailed you want your path to be. Once you're happy with it, click OK, and boom, your selection is now a path. Now here comes the magic. Go down to the adjustment layer icon and choose Solid Color. A color picker will appear. Select black and hit OK. You'll see your selection turn solid black, but don't worry. We're about to transform it into that cool dotted outline effect in just a second. Now switch over to the Path Selection tool, the black arrow in the toolbar. At the top, you'll see options for Fill and Stroke. Here's what you need to do. Set Fill to None. This makes sure we only see the outline. Set Stroke to any color you want. This is going to be your outline color. Finally, increase the stroke size until it looks just right for your image. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created an awesome dotted outline effect around your subject. But wait. Before you go, I have a challenge for you. Try this effect on one of your photos, add your own creative twist, and drop a comment below telling me how it turned out. And hey, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another Photoshop trick. That's it for today, folks. See you in the next one.